Hey, it's Locksmith here. All right, we've got your 4-button Toyota remote. We're going to change the battery on this bad boy. If your key ring is on, please remove it. It will make it a lot easier and less likely to cause damage to your remote. If you look at your remote, follow along the seam, you'll see this opening right here. That's where you want to put your flat tip in. And when you do this, you'll want to do it this way, but you need to flip it over so it's face down. And I'll show you why. Go ahead and rotate, and you'll notice the remote halves are coming apart. Just go ahead and lift it apart. Take your flat tip and just lift out that whole little black piece right here. That is where your battery's stored. Your chip is stored right here. The reason you want to leave it down is so these buttons stay seated and that chip doesn't fall out. So we'll just set it out of our way right now. With this, you're going to take your flat tip screwdriver, and if you notice along here, you'll have only one spot that you can get a screwdriver in. Do not push on the little tabs right here. That's not what they're designed for. You go on the top, there's an opening, and it's enough for you to put a flat tip in there. And when you do, put it in and slightly rotate it, and you'll hear it pop. Come to the other corner and do the same. And once you get it to pop open, use your fingers, pry the two halves apart. Take your flat tip, just lift up the circuit board. It should come out gently, don't pry it. Here's your board. Now when you look at your remote circuit board, you'll see you have these little metal tabs that hold the battery in. You will push away from those, and we have only one spot we can push, so we'll put the flat tip right behind there, and we'll slowly push it outwards and away from those corners. And there we go. You'll notice the battery's coming out. It might have a little bit of pressure, which it should. That's these little metal tabs holding it. And once you get it pushed out enough, you should be able to grab it with your fingers, rock out the battery, and you're good. As you notice on this one here, this is, well, it doesn't show on the camera, but this is the CR2025 battery. We're using new remotes, so we're going to put this battery back in. And when you put it in, push it in, it will take a little bit of pressure. And when you push it in, it'll be stopped by your little metal tab here. Once it's stopped, let's go ahead and reassemble the remote. Put the circuit board back in, gently push down, and it should be seated. Take the back half and the front half together, and let's go ahead and snap them together. And you notice they're snapped together. That means we're good. Go ahead and drop that in the remote housing. Take the back part of the housing and put it on there, and we'll go ahead and snap it together. And there you go. You just changed your battery. Thanks for watching this Locksmith video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you found this video useful, go ahead and leave a comment and give us a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching.